Do you own a brand new C8 Corvette? If you're like me, you've been looking forward to this forever. This is the first C8 Corvette that's a mid-engine. I chose the coupe because I wanted to see the engine. My name is Joseph from ACS Composite, and today I'm showing you our engine appearance options for the brand new C8. The heart and soul of the mid-engine Corvette, its engine compartment. This is a coupe, and every time I wash this vehicle, I end up dirtying this whole area here. So I end up washing the outside and then finally detailing this whole area. One of the things that has always bothered me from the beginning is all these panels in this area are just raw plastic. We also see all the dirt seems to accumulate there just from driving. So one of the things we've done, or that we're introducing today, I should say, is different options to dress up the engine compartment. So this is a 4-part series with different items that we'll be showing you how to install, maintain, and dress up this compartment. If you're like us and you like attending shows and driving the car around, you want to make this a lot easier to maintain, and since it is a centerpiece of the car, we want to give it a wow factor. So today we're doing engine appearance components. The first item we'll be doing is the classic factory option red engine cover. We'll be doing the triangular engine appearance bolt-on package, and my favorite, the complete engine side panel kit, along with the neck brace. So stay tuned with our 4-part series for each single part. Our second component to be installed in our engine appearance series are the side panels. These are a triangular piece that gets installed in the sub brace and the side of the car. It's a cosmetic piece, and it basically mirrors the factory option. So if you order the vehicle with the engine appearance kit, it comes with a similar piece in carbon fiber, along with the LED lights that go on when you open the doors or you turn on the courtesy switch. The installation is very simple. There's 2 fasteners, and basically we'll remove those and install them. Today I'm installing the Sebring orange to match my body color, but we also offer them in different colors. So you could do different themes if you want to go with red, or very popular is the carbon flash. So I'll be doing both today. I'll be primarily installing the orange, then the black, just to showcase both options. It'll be pretty interesting to see which one you like, so feel free to share your thoughts below, and we'll go through all the steps. So this is our second, and obviously we'll have more components out of this, so be sure to follow the whole series. So since I'm working in the engine bay, I previously taped the whole quarter panels just to make sure I could rest myself on it and don't damage the paint. I'll be removing 2 bolts, which are T40, and I'll be saving those since I'll be reusing them. The installation is very simple. We have a small tongue on the side. This goes in a groove that's located on the side rail, and slide it into position. We provide you with nylon washers that go between the bolt and our panel. Reason being is not to mar the paint as you tighten it. Hand start your fastener to make sure you're not cross-threading. And tighten. Installation's the same on the other side. Same install, we have a small tongue into the provision, nylon washer, hand start. Put your second one before you tighten it, just in case you have to adjust it. And tighten. And there we have it. We've completed the installation of our engine appearance side panels. A very easy install, something again that I think anybody could do at home, and it really does make your engine bay pop. So this is now our second component in our 4-step series of our engine upgrade kit. So be sure to check out the rest of the panels. We will come back to conclude with the whole kit so we could really showcase what we could do. Next up will be the complete side panel and X-brace. So be sure to check out the rest of the series below to see the final result. For now, this completes this install session. We have a lot more coming in the next couple of months, so please do subscribe, follow us, and share what you'd like to see.